How to disable messages. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disable messages on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee and now go to For You page. Once you are here, click on those three lines up there and you're gonna find the last option, which is settings at the bottom. Click on it. Now you have privacy, which is the second option. And here you have the second option, who can message me. Like you see, you can limit who can message you. Everyone following each other, which means friends, or disable. Click on disable. And this is it. So easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.